All right, so figured took you guys through everything else. I might as well just show you the rest. So here is our brand new cover, and the part number that I bought actually has all this stuff installed. So it's got the new, there's a temperature sensor that's buried in here somewhere, and I just decided to buy the whole thing because my styrofoam was all messed up from opening it up numerous times over the years. And that got a nice new fan here too. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the reverse, right? We're gonna plug these in. This kind of pops up in that little hole right there, and then it goes together. So I'll try to actually do this on camera. Let's see if I can do this without either electrocuting myself or with this light that I got hanging on my head here. I don't think that thing's gonna stay. So maybe we're just gonna put this puppy down here. Let's see if we can hang it on the side. Or I'll just put it over here. Works. There we go. So we'll take these two wires. You got to be careful because you don't want to stress these, especially on brand new, nice new stuff. So gotta hold this thing up while you're doing it and plug these in. So let's see here. Oh, you'll see on the bottom there's a little tiny clip, and that's where that clip holds into, right there. Plug that in. Get the other one. Do the same exact thing. This one's got the clip on the side. You can see the clip on that side. If you can see it, let me show you. Clips on the left side of this one. So, oops, sounds like it's bending some fins. Let me take a look here. Holding that. Let's see. Looking good. Everything's looking good. So let's put this up. This is a nice brand new cover. Nice new seal. It goes up like that, then it goes in. So I'm gonna need my other hand to do this, but see you guys in a